Well, hello. Today, it's time to check out my two worm bins and see how they're doing and to see which direction I want to head. Do I want to go ahead and do the migration method right now to get my worms to move over, or do I just want to wait a little bit longer and let them consume more castings? So let's take a look and see what's going on worm bin number 1. I don't see any worms or anything on the side. Still have some more bedding they can consume. I fed them watermelon a few weeks ago, or last couple weeks, yeah, and right now I don't see any watermelon in here. Nothing really happening as of now. My castings are pretty moist. Not really moist because this container that I use, a Rubbermaid tote, it keeps moisture in the tote. So that's why there's moisture in my totes as of now. But it's not really like saturated. So I'm going to probably just feed on this side for now and let them come over here. So let me get some stuff prepared to feed these worms. But let's go check on worm bin number 2 for now. Okay, worm bin number 2. Let's see. This one is going to be the best one to start doing some harvesting, because this one has really great things going on with the worms as of now. This one's pretty moist too, because like I said, just Rubbermaid totes absorb and keep in moisture. So that's why it's good to try to add some dry bedding on top. That's what I noticed the results for me. Still have this corn cob in there. I will go ahead and give these guys a light feeding because I want them just to migrate to this other side. And we shall go from there. So stay tuned and hold on for a second, please. While I was going through my worm bin, when I had the camera turned off, there's a lot of worms, ball of worms in certain locations. And a lot of them were on the bottom, so there's a nice amount of worms that are in this bin. So like I said, let me go get some food and be right back once again. Alright, back to worm bin number 1. Then I get some banana peels. Some lettuce. Some grounded up eggshells for the grit. Gonna cover it up. Come back in about another. I'll come back in 2 weeks. See how everything's working out. Give them more time to consume this bedding. She'll cover this up once again, so we'll allow them to come up towards the top because worms don't like light, and they'll be good for another 2 weeks. So now let's go look at worm bin number 2. Worm bin number 2 is going to get a good healthy feeding because these worms like to consume stuff a lot quicker than that other one, because I think there are a lot more in this worm bin. So I'm going to give them a hefty feeding. Banana peels, lettuce, eggshells, paper towels, grounded up eggshells, covered up with the bedding. And let them get back to business. I just want to say thank you for your time. You guys have a great day. Bye.